So this video is more about what makes the screeching noise up front here, not so much how to fix it. You can hear it and then I show how to fix it, but just to hear the noise that you know what it is. How's that? Oh, horrible. So when it's cold outside every morning like this, when you remote start the car, horrible. What makes that noise? Sorry for the shaking of my camera. Don't put your fingers in there when it's running. Very important. Not. Okay. So you heard the noise. And I can tell you it's this one pulley here. So what we need to do is to remove the belt first. Important there to know is to not snap the tensioner back. This will damage it. Go slow on it. And then we need a 1/2 inch socket to remove the screw. It is easy to remove because it's fixed only with 54 Newton meters, so it's easy to get off. Let me get here my tool. There we go. Unscrew this thing. There. And then we can do the rest by hand. We don't want to lose anything in there, but there is nothing you could lose. I mean, you just take the super long screw out and the bearing is on it. It won't fall off so easy. Come on, it's a long screw. It's almost out. And there we go. Come on. There it is. Everything beautiful. And then we put the new one in. Same way as we got it out. Screw. Tighten it. To 54 Newton meter. I repeat this. By hand as far as you can by hand. And then we need a torque wrench to finish. Since I'm too lazy to get a torque wrench, I can feel it. I feel it. Let's see. 54, 55, 56. Ha! 54. That's what it is. Okay, now let's get the belt back on. Here, my tool here. Push it over to the left. Now, I see my hand is in the way. That is not so great for you, but the belt basically goes back on the same way it was. So, if you don't know how it should be on, it's maybe good to take a picture first, how it looks like before. That's always good to see. And then look at this later if it's the same, if it's put together the same way. Up front here, what is the worst case scenario? That you sling this around the water pump the wrong way and then the water pump is running the wrong way and then you have no cooling, no heat, engine problems, who knows. So put it back on as it was. Okay, so like this. That's how it was. Now I can remove my tool, this is important. We reconnect the battery and then we give it a good start and see if it still makes the noise. Now it will probably not make the noise because the sounded good. The pulley here is warm, right? So it doesn't make noise when it's warm, just when it's cold. So I guess I find out tomorrow in the morning, but it does look good. 1/2 inch here. That was the tool I used. It's basically all you need. There. That goes over in the millimeter section. Now there, 13 millimeter. There we go. All the tools go back. Always important to have a good toolkit. If you need it, you have everything, every size you need. Alright, thanks for watching. Take a quick look at the old one, made in Germany. I bought mine from the AutoZone imported through Mexico, but it's made in Germany. Yeah, that's how the box looks like. Spanish and English.